tracks now, and 2 days after a Navy veteran was attacked and assaulted by 6 Sena members in Mumbai, Shiv Sena has finally broken its silence. Sena MP Sanjay Raut tweeted saying that the attack was impulsive, but it was also wrong for the veteran to share a picture of Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Remember, the Navy veteran was attacked for forwarding a cartoon on WhatsApp. The Sena MP urged opposition in Maharashtra to not politicize the issue. Meanwhile, the Navy veteran Madan Sharma has asked Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray to ensure his family's safety and make his men apologize to the entire country. Take a listen.
चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब से मेरा गुजारिश है कि मेरा और मेरा परिवार का सिक्योरिटी का इंतजाम करें। हमारे ग्रुप में जो ये मैसेज शेयर किया गया था, उस ग्रुप में अतुल जी, एमएलए अतुल जी का भी नंबर है, संजय सेठी जी का भी, ये यूनियन मिनिस्टर, हाँ, गोपाल सेठी जी का नंबर है, और भी कई मिनिस्टर और डॉक्टर, ये काफ़ी हाई प्रोफाइल लोग हैं। वो लोग इस मैसेज को देखे हुए हैं। उन्होंने कोई ये नहीं किया हुआ है, ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं किया हुआ है। उद्धव ठाकरे जी को उनके जितने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैं, उनके आदमी हैं, वो पूरे लोगों को देश के सामने देश से माफ़ी मांगना चाहिए मेरे प्रति।
I'm joined by my colleague Mayuresh Ganpati over the phone line on this. Mayuresh, what we can in fact see is that the Shiv Sena MP, somebody from the Shiv Sena has finally spoken out on the issue and in a way condemned the fact that this was an impulsive reaction which should not have happened. But nonetheless, at the same time also saying that even the veteran sharing the picture of the Chief Minister was wrong, and he has in fact further said, Sanjay Raut has further said that the matter should not be politicized. But nonetheless, the fact that a strong message is not being sent out against these attackers, the fact that they've been let out on bail, is also something which has come up for criticism.
See that there are three parts in the statement which issued by Sanjay Raut. Part number one, where he clearly says that the law still prevails, and that's why though there were Shiv Sainiks involved in this attack, they were arrested and they were behind the bars. But yes, as you said, all the offences registered against them were bailable. That's why they got the bail. Part number two, he clearly said that we cannot tolerate insult of CM, because CM post of the CM is a constitutional post, and any CM's insult we cannot tolerate. And third part of that statement is basically he has criticized the BJP for politicizing this issue, because we saw yesterday how BJP leaders basically did that flash protest with the family members outside the additional CP's office. And from day one, or from that particular incident, BJP leaders were quick to criticize the Uddhav Thackeray government and Mahavikas Aghadi. So that's why if you see the statement, there are three parts. As I said, part one initially, which basically talks about the law and which also supports the government, saying that the Uddhav Thackeray government were quick to take the action and they arrested 6 people. Part number two is basically Sanjay Raut has criticized the veteran for forwarding that particular forward cartoon in the groups and insulting the CM. And part number three is that where he criticized the BJP for politicizing the issue. Back to you, Tanima.
Right, Mayuresh will of course be tracking this case very closely with you. Thank you so much for bringing us that update.